fans! Anna's not here today because I kidnapped her. No, I'm just kidding. She's fine. She's on my channel now. Let me introduce myself. My name is April, and I'm one of the Nanowhite Freshbox finalists too. We attended the second workshop together last Saturday, and we received our second vision card. So here the topic, we have to talk about healthy eating. So we decided to make a collab of showing you guys some healthy food recipe with a little twist because we are making this into a challenge. So how this challenge works is that me and Aina will choose one healthy recipe for each other, and then the other person have to actually make the recipe, cook the food, and vlog ourselves cooking it, and then show it to you guys. And at the end of the cooking, we will video call each other and show each other the food we have cooked, and then we will judge the food based on the appearance, whether it's a veal or sausage. We video call because me and Aina live very far apart. She's at Penang and I'm at KL. So yeah. Okay, so Aina, I am going to choose your recipe now. Here is my laptop, and let's have a look. So Aina, I am going to choose this recipe. I found from the blog. It is a black pepper chicken, and it's in Bahasa Melayu, so it's easier for you to refer. You can find the recipe down below. The ingredients are listed and the ways of cooking also. The reason I choose this recipe is because it has the three major nutrition that we need in the food from the food pyramid. It has the protein, fiber, and carbohydrate. I am going to send the link to you now. There we go. If you like Aina, I'll see you at the end of this video.
Hello guys, so today I wanna bought some ingredients that April give to me give to me recipe challenge ayam bakar lada. So hari ni I wanted to bought the ingredient and wanted to cook for buka puasa. Okay. Macam ayam bahagian dada ada. Okay, kat Simat tak ada ayam bahagian dada. Tapi Maidin nak? Maidin. Okay guys, I thought it's easy to find ayam bahagian dada, tapi I pelik gila kat Simat tak ada ayam bahagian dada. Ada seko je mentang-mentang puasa. Kau ingat tak ada orang nak beli ke? So kita kena pergi Maidin. April, this is for you. Jom balik masak untuk berbuka. Okay, let's do it. Alright, these are all about healthy, so we're gonna buang dia punya kulit and just tinggal isi. So I akan berat dia dalam, tengok sampai ada rasa dah bau. So yeah, our chicken, let's go. So serbuk oregano leaf. Sebab dia baru lagi. Oh terabur. Oregano. Nampak kan? Alright, enough. So kita takkan guna sebarang any garam ataupun sugar sebab dia healthy food. So this is our black pepper, dari hitam. So yang ni yang kasar, ada memang ada kat rumah. So yang kasar, dan ini yang serbuk. I campur dua untuk marinate dia. And kayu manis. Ambil yang nak campur tu. Okay, before kita gaul semua ni, tiga bahan dalam ni, kita perlukan 4 bilas bawang putih. Kita akan iris dia halus-halus. Tik untuk cepat tik kau. So kita masukkan dalam ni. Ya, as you can see right now. So kita gaul. Sepatutnya kalau boleh lagi halus lagi baik tau. Alright guys, so kita akan berat dia untuk dalam 15 minit dan kita akan masak nasi rice brown. Alright, I akan tutup pakai benda ni. Alright guys, so this is my first time nak masak rice brown. I tak tahu macam mana nak masak dia. Kalau ada introduction. masak nasi macam biasa pun. Kan? Wow. Angin dia dah keluar. Okay. So, beri nasi. Betul. Setengah. Sini maybe. I don't know lah, betul ke? Kena tapis-tapis kan? April! Is it true what I'm doing now, April? Okay, so untuk isi air, I just isi sama macam I belajar sukai air untuk beras biasa. Okay, yang di mana I menggunakan jari seperti orang dulu-dulu. Tak gitu, dan sikat. Okay, dan alright. So guys, kita tunggu dalam lagi 15 minit untuk kita masak our chicken. So ya guys, kita panaskan dulu. So for my, I kena tunduk, sorry. So untuk minyak, I guna just margarine. Untuk lebih healthy, korang guna margarine yang I tak tahu apa yang buat. Tapi margarine yang macam low calorie, sebab margarine ni dia high calorie juga. Betul. Ya guys, tengok our chicken. I masukkan bawang putih dulu. Kita nak naikkan bau makanan ni. See? Right, so we gonna put our chicken. Woo! Oh, dah. Oh. So kita nak tengok dalam. Macam ni ke, ya Allah? So this is our rice. Jadi guys, yes, dah. So this is salad. Dah buruk-buruk boleh buang. Betapa freshnya. Our plate. I selalu tengok dekat kedai nasi, dia orang bubuk dalam mangkuk kan. As long tak ada, I letak dalam cawan lah. Kreatif tau. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya. Balik semua. Ini nama dia nasi perang, okey guys. Satu dia color macam ni. Tada! Oh my god. I think I need to ambil yang biar dia stay kat situ dulu. Dia dah lama ke kita angkat. Our chicken dah ready. Okay, go. Boleh lah. My god, I dah give up. I dah tak tahu macam mana nak bagi dia macam ni. So, okay lah tu. So, this my cheese pula dah. So, this is my recipe yang April dah bagi. And I have, chicken masak berada. Tak tahu rasa dia lagi. Bulan-bulan puasa ni pula kan. Okay, selamat berbuka. So, before that, I wanted to call April. Wait for April. Battery I tinggal 5%. Please angkat April. Hi! Say hi to my camera. So yeah, this is April guys. So dia lah yang bagi dekat I recipe and I done. Hey, I'm done. Oh yeah, alright. Can you see?
Wow, it actually looks good.
Yes, but tak tahu lagi taste dia macam mana sebab puasa kan. Mana boleh test? Puasa lah April.
I see success.
Oh, success. I dengar test. Okay, so
This is a good job. I got a gift for you.
ada gift untuk I, okay? So bila? Gelap.
So I'll pass it to you during our workshop this Saturday.
This Saturday Okay. So I'm done. So I'm waiting for you pula. Okay, so bye! Alright guys, so I'm done! So April say I get some gift for this Saturday because I dah berjaya. Ya Allah, nak aku ni. My cat sedih main nak main punya mana buat tripod. So yeah, can't you see, it's so good. Bye! Thank you so much! Hi guys, thank you so much for watching this challenge video. So you guys dekat luar sana, jangan lupa untuk hashtag Team Aina dekat description box. And macam yang korang tahu, our topic for today, selain daripada Aina buat challenge ni, Aina ada giveaway untuk you guys. So here, ta-da! I'm gonna give 2 handbags for you guys yang follow introduction how to get this giveaway. Ada 2 handbag. So this one is like black one. Boleh buka sini. And dalam, nampak, say new. Dan dia ada tali. And the other one is maroon. Buka macam ni. And here ada tali juga. So you guys kalau yang nak both of this handbag, ada 2 untuk you guys memandangkan dah nak hari raya. So beraya dengan handbag baru. Okay, so dia punya introduction senang saja. You guys kena pergi dekat my first workshop video and second workshop video, screenshot macam yang dekat sini. For first workshop, this is first workshop, korang kena screenshot gambar ni. And the second video, my second workshop, this one, screenshot these 2 picture. And jangan lupa untuk subscribe my channel and juga pergi ke Instagram, follow my channel and DM me the gambar-gambar yang korang ada screenshot and say done, you are done. Okay, that's all. So yeah you guys, jangan lupa untuk subscribe channel April dan juga tengok semua video Nano White dia, okay? And also support me for Nano White competition. Just buat ini dan say you are done. It's so simple. Forget these 2 handbags, the beautiful handbag. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope korang dapat join this giveaway for get these 2 handbag for Hari Raya. So see you guys soon. Bye.